Yo, what is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. Today in this
so
video we are in the beautiful channels of Harsens Island, Michigan. Today I caught a couple of pretty decent sized bass, but I've caught literally the biggest pike I've ever caught in my entire life. In this video, popping up down below is the comment of the day. If you wish to see yourself as a comment of the day, make sure you leave those beautiful loving comments down below to enter yourself into being in the comment of the day. And also we have our most recent subscriber popping up right at the top here. If you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on some great content. Now let's get into this video. Let's go.
I don't know why I ain't put one of them bitches on yet. There's something up under this, I know it. I think I'm in a current. I think I got a current or something going on. There we go. Oh my God, this big ass bass right there. Big old bass. There we go. We got a fish. Caught his ass. Let's freaking go. Come on. Get over here, buddy. They fighting hard today. Fighting hard today. Oh, he freaking choked it too. He freaking choked it. Come on. You fought hard, but you ain't fight hard enough. You hear me? Come on. I seen this one. I said, oh yeah, I'm about to go ahead and flip this bad boy up in there and try to get daddy. I got him right in the tongue too, so I know he probably pissed off. Never like getting hit in the tongue. There we go, sir. On the wacky. See how much weight we can get today. Yeah, let's do that again. Pretty sure he probably not even like 1.5. He looked like a whole 2-pounder though. This thing's saying he 35 pounds, bro. There we go. Zeroed out. Yeah, he like 1.4. As you see. Yes, sir. Let's go ahead and get him back in. Oh, we need to hurry up and get him back in. I didn't know he was bleeding like that. Got him in the tongue. I don't think I knew I had him hooked actually. But he was hooked good. There's blood all over the hook and everything. So as soon as we switch to the wacky worm, we start getting more bites. So wacky worm it is, my sir. I didn't know he was bleeding like that. I feel bad now. I want to do flipping and pitching and doing all that stuff, but I don't feel it right here. It's like I see a bunch of guys, I don't know, they might be doing a tournament or something, but I've seen a bunch of guys on bass boats over there. I don't even think I locked that weight in on that first bass I caught with the wacky. Yeah, I'm 100% sure I didn't. These fish are spawning, so Probably gonna see a lot on beds. And all of that good stuff. I'll see y'all when we get to the next spot. Sonar ain't working today either. It's windy as hell out here too. There we go. Come on. We found him. On the chatterbait. There we go. Saying I knew I had something. I knew I had something. Can't come up here and not catch nothing. Third bite in the same area and didn't catch nothing. They've been biting it, but not eating it. Let's go. We know they here now. I'm gonna get over there to that bank. Let's get over There we go. But oh, okay, we got something. Oh, what is this? A freaking muskie? What is this? A fucking big ass northern pike? Dude, he's fucking whooping my ass too. He is whooping my ass. Holy crap. I've never seen a freaking pike fight like this. Holy shit. Am I recording? I am recording, dude. This guy has the most fight I've ever seen. Holy shit. I ain't got no fight no more. Oh my God, look how freaking massive this guy is. Let's freaking go. Dude, this guy, he ain't playing no games. Let's go. He pulling me all over the place. You hooked. You hooked, son. You hooked. You hooked. Come here. Get in the boat. Get in. Oh, my wrist is so bad. Biggest pike maybe the second biggest pike I've caught. Oh my God. The biggest of the biggest. Let's see. The biggest I've caught. He's most definitely. All right. Okay, relax. You're not going anywhere, buddy. I know you know how to get out, but you ain't getting out today. Keep that pressure on him. Come on, phone. Stay still. So Daddy can show the people what I've caught. Let's freaking go. I don't see how you still got fight in you. Look at that. Caught him. We got him, guys. Look at that big old pike. Nice little northern. Let's freaking go. Let's go. Let's get him back in. He good. I think the only thing this bad boy gonna let me do is get a video on him. Let's freaking go. Get him back in there. He took off, didn't he? He took off. Caught him on a chatterbait. On that, whatever color this is, I forgot. Let me make sure I check my line. Yeah, we good. We gonna retie anyways though. Caught him on that stinking chatterbait. It's not I thought it was a muskie. All honesty, thought it was a full-blown muskie. I just caught him. But it ended up not being that. Got my jerky stick, where's my beer? Cheers to that. God, Budweiser is disgusting. There's literally a fish. There's fish all in these, up under this mat right here. Oh my God. Let's see what's up under here. Let's see. They see me. Here we go. There we go. Oh yeah, that's bigger. Oh, I ain't losing this guy. Fuck that. Go ahead and pull him out of there real quick. Just about to say, I hope I didn't gut hook this guy. Oh man, I wasn't recording. I ain't even record that last bite. Okay, didn't even record that last bite. I don't know what the hell happened there. There we go. A little bit bigger than the last bite anyway, so we're good. We're good. Let's go. Forget that last bite. It don't even matter no more. I didn't even record the last one, and I recorded this one, so it's like even better. They're destroying this thing. I got you, buddy. Hold on. I'm about to get you right. And we're gonna put you back. There we go. About a little 1 pounder. He's got a little tick on him or something crazy. I'm gonna go ahead and take that off. Make sure that ain't on my damn hand, because that'd be fricked. Got that little guy. Let's go. He knew he wasn't going nowhere. I had him gripped so tight. All right, I think we need a new one. Cause they look at that. They done tore it up. The way I rigged it, it was just bad. It ain't no coming back from that. Yeah, that last bite, I'm like, man, this little guy, I think we got some more of them. I was like, this little guy, good thing I ain't recorded. That's whatever, right? Go ahead and put another one of these bad boys on. Rest in peace, D Lump. This was his favorite lure. Darren Lumpkin. Love you, bro. So I'm gonna cast outwards, and I'm guessing they like off this bank. That guy was a little bit bigger than one I didn't catch on video, so that was sweet. Oh my God, I got another one. Something just slurped it up just there. Something's got it now. They're most definitely eating that Sir Truth part about this bait. I love these freaking bass out here, man. They freaking fight like no other. They make you think you got all types of stuff hooked up. I mean, yeah, I did have a bite when I was back there. I'm sitting there like, something biting at it. I don't know what the hell it is, though. Audio might be absolutely trash. My freaking mic cover is not even like working at all. There's a house on an island right in front of me right here, and it's probably the coolest thing I've ever seen. I could totally flip right now. I wish I would have brought everything for flipping. Trying to catch my PP today, man. got a bunch of top water and I have not tied any of it up. Alright, we're gonna try a different cast. It doesn't look that windy, but it's like crazy windy today. It's probably the windiest I've ever fished. So when you go out further out this way, probably like a mile that way, the water turns blue, bluish green tint, and I'm about 90% sure it's probably smallmouth out that way. Not a lot of them, but they're out there. Thought I had a bite. At this chatterbait. If any fish, I want to say it's a point right here in front of me. I think we have a huge chance of catching a fish right there.